Tesla Model Y still China's premium SUV king. November 10, 2022. Tesla China may have focused on exports in October, but based on data from the China Passenger Car Association, CPCA, the Model Y was still able to take its place as the country's best-selling premium SUV. Tesla China's wholesale sales in October were listed at 71,704 units, which was pretty impressive since the month covered the National Day holiday, which ran from October 1 to October 7, 2022. Giga Shanghai was operational during this time, though the facility was reportedly not at full staff. CPCA data revealed that Tesla China was still able to sell 14,391 units of the Model Y domestically last month. This represented an 8.18% year-over-year growth, as the company sold 13,303 units of the all-electric crossover in October 2021. Retail sales of the Model Y in China were also down 69.18% from the 46,694 units that were sold in September 2022, a month when Giga Shanghai focused its resources on the local market. With such results, the Tesla Model Y from Giga Shanghai still took its place as the country's best-selling premium SUV with a starting price above RMB 300,000. Following the Model Y are several mainstays of the premium SUV market, such as the BMW X3 12,592 units sold, the Mercedes-Benz GLC 11,983 units sold, and the Audi Q5 10,519 units sold. The Tesla Model Y made some headway in China's overall SUV market in October as well. As per CPCA data, in the October sales ranking of all SUVs, which include affordable entries that are powered by the internal combustion engine like the Honda CR-V and the Toyota RAV4, the Tesla Model Y was still able to earn 10th place overall. And that's during a month when Tesla China was focused on exporting vehicles, not selling them locally. Sales of the made-in-China Model Y would likely become even more impressive in the coming months, especially as the electric vehicle maker rolled out a series of price cuts for both the all-electric crossover and its sedan sibling, the Model 3. Tesla China has also rolled out some incentives for its clients, such as a referral program and discounts for inventory vehicles that are delivered this fourth quarter. Source reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Tesla RT. My take: soon the Tesla Model Y will be king everywhere else. Tesla takes over at the SEMA show in Las Vegas. November 10, 2022. The SEMA show in Las Vegas is the largest automotive specialty parts trade show in the world, drawing over 160,000 attendees. I attended the show last week to check out new parts and accessories that Tesla owners might be interested in. Some will be premiering on EVANNEX soon. However, I also encountered some wild, customized Teslas that showcase a significant design departure from the standard factory look. Of all the Teslas on display at SEMA, perhaps the coolest was from at Casper_Model 3 from the elite at Ruiner Tesla crew. The Tesla included some mods from EVANNEX along with a gorgeous body kit via at Andro.Inc. Many of these modded Teslas have their frunks popped open to display the vehicle's air suspension bag mods, including Casper's very cool SpaceX-styled tank. It's no wonder this Tesla was featured on the cover of Dub magazine's SEMA issue. Cruising between the halls at Las Vegas Convention Center, LVCC required a lot of walking. To make things a bit more fun, our crew decided to travel in style via the LVCC loop. Elon Musk's Boring Company dug a massive underground tunnel with Tesla vehicles ferrying SEMA attendees around the show. It was a really cool experience. While some Teslas on display at SEMA were nothing more than vinyl wraps and aftermarket wheels, there were some radical collaborations, bringing together like-minded companies in order to transform Tesla's design aesthetic and create a fresh new look. What I encountered was really striking. Source reposted and summarized from Matt Pressman at Avanex. My take: I wish I had been there to see the show. Tesla towers over Toyota. November 10, 2022. A new analysis shows that Tesla's profit margin per vehicle built towers over that of Toyota by roughly 8 times. Tesla built slightly less than 1/7 of the vehicles Toyota did from July to September, but outshined the Japanese company where it matters in Q3 2022 on the financial sheet. Tesla's profit margin per vehicle for Q3 2022 was 8 times what Toyota brought in. An analysis from Nikkei Asia shows Tesla reported $3.29 billion net profit in Q3, while Toyota said it made $3.15 billion in the same time frame. There's more to the story, though. Toyota was caught in the middle of several scenarios that required unforeseen spending. For example, Toyota was plagued with high operating costs as electricity prices skyrocketed, and relatively predictable material cost increases also contributed to monumental spending in Q3. In all, Toyota's financial spending pushed operating profits down just over $3 billion. This is not to say that Tesla has not refined its manufacturing processes and spending to reach world-class levels. For years, Tesla has been known to have some of the best profitability margins on its vehicles in various markets. In China, gross margins for the Model 3 and Model Y reached as high as 39 and 29.4%. Respectively. Tesla has continued this globally, with its automotive gross margin of 27.9% in Q3. Unchanged from Q2, the company's highest gross margin in the past year was 32.9%, which occurred in Q1 2022. Tesla is on scale much smaller than Toyota. In 2021, Tesla delivered almost exactly 1/10 of the cars that Toyota did on a global scale. Tesla reported 936,000 deliveries for the year, while Toyota's 9.51 million units were enough to make it the best-selling car company of 2021. However, on a quarterly basis, comparing Tesla to Toyota in the 3 months from July to September, Toyota sold 7.6 times as many cars as Tesla. This is where the financials come into play and where Tesla's profit margin is really impressive. Nikkei Asia's analysis shows Tesla made $9,570 per vehicle during Q3. Enough to make Tesla more profitable per vehicle than any other manufacturer on the planet. However, the report states this is unconfirmed. Toyota made only around $1,200 per vehicle. The biggest factor behind Tesla's profit growth is sales volume, then prices hikes and a rise in self-driving software sales. An analyst at SBI Securities said, cutting operating costs is not out of line or uncommon for Tesla. Recently, the company started trimming expenditures in China by ditching flashy showrooms and swapping them out for multi-purpose facilities instead. In terms of manufacturing, the Giga press revolutionized vehicle castings for the company by eliminating parts, improving production time, and increasing efficiency. Tesla's unique stance on vertical integration has also led to reductions in overall spending, leading to more profitability per vehicle. Source reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Tesla RT. My take: Toyota as a company will be spiraling very soon. Tesla's Giga Shanghai breaks production record. November 10, 2022. For the third month in a row, crews at Giga Shanghai have been able to set a new production record. The records have been broken after Tesla upgraded the production lines at Giga Shanghai over the summer. According to data from China Merchants Bank International, CMBI, Tesla built 87,706 new Model 3 and Model Y cars at Giga Shanghai in October. That easily breaks the previous record set just the month before in September, when 82,088 new cars rolled off the factory's production lines, which broke the record set in August of 76,705 new cars built at Giga Shanghai. With Giga Shanghai's successive record quarters, Tesla China has produced 246,499 new cars in just the last 3 months alone. Extrapolated out, that equates to a production rate of over 1 million cars per year, making it Tesla's most productive factory. The next closest is Fremont, which has an installed capacity of 650,000 cars, split between the Model SX lines 100,000 and the Model 3 Y lines 550,000. Earlier this month we reported that Tesla sold 71,704 vehicles in China last month, the majority of which 54,504 were exported to other markets, also setting a new record for the automaker. The difference between the number of vehicles delivered and the number of cars built means Tesla has shored up its vehicle inventory in the final months of the year. This could be why Tesla this week added a new incentive for customers ordering a car from existing inventory. If a customer places an order for one of these vehicles and takes delivery by November 30, they can receive up to $1,100 USD off their purchase. That amount drops in half to $550 USD if they take delivery between December 1 and December 31. Source reposted and summarized from Darren John at Drive Tesla Canada. My take: soon all the Giga factories will be producing the same amount of cars.